all of us. I love you so much, so much, and thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, give yourselves some money, guys. You want to say something? Oh, I don't know. This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man, for me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy. Because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like these. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you. But man, this Spice is nice. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah. I came here to tell you that I know that the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you would want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, it's Spice's night. Let me hear say, female future is now. The female is now. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Spice. Thank you for this moment. Good night, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, Mongene Sheebah. This means a lot to my career. It means so much. I love you, Sheebah, and I don't take this moment for granted forever in my life. Thank you so much. I want to thank once again every artist that made it tonight to this. It's not a concert like I've said, but thank you for making it so big. So we continue. Oh my God, I'm so emotional. Olimba, girl, I know that you know that. Girl, I know that you know that. Hey, Masumagina, don't tell you what's feeling. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for coming up tonight. Thank you so much. Non-stop action. Okay.